Today we'll be discussing 6 marketing techniques that can drive immediate results. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Launch a referral program. Did you know that a referred customer is 18% more loyal than a customer acquired by other means? That trust is so important when it comes to building brand loyalty. Think about your network. If you know some people, and you know some people that may know some other people, then you have to tap into your network. A referral program can promote your brand quickly and incentivize people to do so. Number 2. Create a content calendar. Do you want to set yourself up for success moving forward? A content calendar just may be the piece that's missing. A content calendar can serve as a structural backbone to your entire blogging strategy. You can use it to plan content, collaborate with your team, track due dates, and map out when you're going to post on certain channels. Number 3. Use Vista Create. Do you want to make beautiful social posts quickly? Vista Create is an amazing tool that really helps you to craft great-looking content in a matter of minutes. And the best part is that you barely need any design experience. You can choose colors, objects, and photos and edit everything with the background remover tool and make it all look cohesive. You can customize everything and include all the necessary information that you need within your images. Number 4. Batch your posts on social media. Building off that content calendar tip, this is one of the best ways to save yourself a ton of time and make sure that your social posts hit during the right moment where everyone is online. Number 5. Host a contest. You can do things like offering an iPad for free or a computer. It's literally endless. Survey your audience, figure out what you think they'll like, and leverage that in your contest. And you can use tools like Viral Sweep to help run your contest. It's very effective. Number 6. Write about new, exciting topics. Chances are your competitors are fighting all over the same keywords and topics as you are, so why not beat them to the punch on the next one? Tools like Exploding Topics can help you catch the topic at an early moment, right before it gets too big and oversaturated, and you can capitalize on that with your audience. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon!